When I plug in my AP200, it comes up to this screen asking me if this is the phone I want to use. I'm going to allow. Going into diagnostics. Ben Sprinter. If you're not going into Ben Sprinter, you're not using your app right for your van, for a T1N Sprinter van. Manual selection, Sprinter. 901, USA, OBD, control unit, engine control module. At this point, we need to turn the key on. That single beep is telling me I'm overdue for maintenance assist, 1,000 miles overdue for an oil change. We want to look at cam and crank sensor synchronization, so I'm going to go into live data. All the way down here at the bottom, synchronization between camshaft sensor and crankshaft sensor actual values. Right there, not synchronized. As you can see, it started up immediately when it's synchronized. Turn that off. Try that again. Now, as we can see, it's synchronizing faster than the AP200 can update. So let me stop that. Cam sensor is right back there, and sometimes these bolts on top can be a real pain. They get stripped and rusted and what have you. So we want to set that in there as far as we can with our fingers, then hit it with the tiniest hammer you can find. All right, finally got all those out of there. There are 7 bolts in an OM647, 4 along this side and 3 along the other. Cam sensor is right back here. Usually there's a little clip. Get your thumb on right there and pull it off. This one looks like the clip is broken. That's pretty common. Not synchronized. That's with the cam sensor unplugged. Now the ECM won't fire any injectors, any fuel through the injectors until it gets synchronization here. So we haven't flooded the engine. So you see how quick that happens. Now let's try something else. Taking out the fuel pump relays so we don't have any pressure at the low pressure pump. Now that's synchronizing and trying to fire, except it doesn't have enough fuel pressure. Fuel pump relay reinstalled. It starts just that quick.